slowed and reverb? Are you kidding me, King?
Mykey right there.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Playing this out loud.
Why you don't play it so loud, bro?
Is this a fucking moaning slowed and reverb?
Yes.
It's not picking up on Discord, but I assume it's hearing all of it.
I hear it. I'm hearing it.
What?
I hate this video.
That's fucking niggas, man.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
It's fine. We'll be fine.
You'll be fine, bro. You're gonna take all my items.
I'm
That's
fucking T-posing!
Let's go!
Yeah, enemies are faster and
Well, yeah, they're so fast. What the fuck?
can't stun.
Oh, this beetle just killed me, dude.
Yeah, you can't stun them either.
I should just
Beetles.
slide around.
Yeah, I was just sliding.
I'm pretty sure we saw my video settings too, because my shit is definitely laggy.
Okay, I got one.
Yeah, my fucking sensitivity's all fucking reset too.
Oh, there's a beetle here. Oh, I'm so fucked. Please don't tell me a bug didn't spawn.
What the fuck?
Oh,
What is that?
Shit.
What is this?
What the fuck is
Who dropped the fucking nuke?
What was that?
I found the nuke.
Is that a new item?
I think it might have been with one of the mods. I don't know.
It sounded like a big fart. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, it was a whole ass fucking nuke.
Okay, Weezy, at least answer. Like, how did you even get to thinking about what would happen if the sun disappeared, bro? How did that even happen?
Wait, what? Like in real life, or?
Yeah.
Yes, I was. What would you
Real
do if the sun
life.
disappeared,
Nigga, you
bro?
guys are dead.
Nigga, if the sun
In real life.
disappears, I'm fucking killing everybody, bro. I'm gonna die.
Bro.
I'm killing everybody, by the way.
Nigga, life is over. What the fuck? No sun. We're going back to the ice age.
Bro,
nigga.
that
Come
answer's
on.
not to kill everybody.
Nigga,
You're
you're
an
not
asshole,
gonna do.
dude.
You're not gonna kill me. Niggas have the same ideas, bro. I'm going out
Oh man, go like
Bro, what kind of
This
fucking
is not-
goddamn!
This is
Daddy.
not Dragon Ball. This is not anime, bro. We are not bringing the sun back. The sun is gone.
What the
Goodbye.
hell
Yeah, so we're all dying.
mean-
You don't have to kill people.
I mean,
No.
technically we can through science.
I'm going up, bro. I'm going up. I'm going up. They gonna kill me, or I'm gonna kill them.
I think an artificial
Bro, no
sun
one's gonna
is
kill you.
achievable. No?
Let's get out of here after.
I mean, apparently, Weezy said that he looked up some shit, and it's something can be done. He just won't reveal the information to me.
Nothing can be
Yeah,
done
but
with the sun disappearing. We're gonna die.
Bro, NASA,
We're
nigga, what the
space
fuck
in
are these
the
secrets you're hiding? Nigga, talk about it.
I'm pretty sure these niggas have been experimenting with that fucking artificial sun shit for like years.
No, we're just gonna die, dude. You can't eat the whole planet.
You don't know that.
Oh, I
Global
see that.
warming.
The
you meant
science
global
literally
warming.
has no,
The global warming relies on the sun.
Oh shit, you're right.
Look, that's what I'm saying. Look,
Oh my god, I got blown up by Rashawn.
if the
You
sun
never doubt
disappears,
the
bro,
power of science. Yo, you're dead.
Goku carries.
In
it.
D&D,
A while
not
ago.
real life. Have you read the player's manual? And the fucking DM's guide? I'm gonna send you both them shit. I've only read like half of one, so I mean I
Which
can't
is
be
why
held
you don't
accountable.
know.
The
Oh,
sun
man,
though?
fuck
The sun?
The sun. Need my item before I die. Ooh,
I'm gonna go sue. We're fucking screwed.
we get two.
Yeah, 2 items.
Oh, okay.
We hit 1 mountain shrine.
Actually, yes, definitely.
There's a.
There's
thing up
another
there.
penis there.
Oh, these are toxic.
Oh, Rashawn was waiting for me to fucking spawn so he could try to finish killing me. What a nice guy.
Goku.
And dickhead, bro.
But it can't be Goku. He can't be Goku.
He really can't be Goku though.
He can't be Goku.
I have not. We'll take both of them. It'll make the campaign go a lot smoother if you read them bitches. So. Actually, I'm getting killed. Give me a sec.
Get your fucking Will-O-Wisp, Tux.
My Will-O-Wisp?
Yeah.
How about you keep yourself safe, bro?
I'm in danger. I think we're all in danger since apparently if the sun goes out, we have to rely on Wheezy to reveal his science.
That's fucking
we also
crazy,
have to
by the
rely
way.
on Styles not fucking killing us.
Yeah.
No, don't worry. Not my
We
friends.
also have to worry about
My
Styles.
friends are good, bro. My friends
Yeah,
are
because
good.
that
Don't
snail
worry.
that kills
Kill
you
us
scenario
before
for
fucking-
everybody.
That might be the campaign. Can you fix the sun before Styles fucking
Should I just think?
Are we good to go?
Yeah, I think so. We
Yeah.
need to go, dude. We need to go.
Bro, what is this ever expanding circle?
What is
Wait.
this?
Oh shit.
UX.
No.
That's not me.
I put down the nuke, but the radius is getting bigger. Does that mean if I leave it, it gets? Oh wait,
Oh,
Hit
this
it.
is this the nuke?
that might be very useful.
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness, that might actually be the tech. Just leave it on the teleporter and let it expand. Oh what,
I'm dead.
bro?
Bro, this should give you a heart attack.
It's just being Poppy. Wait, my bird getting snapped? Uh-oh. I hope you guys enjoy being dead.
No wait, snapped your fucking bird, bro. Just snap your half your character out of existence.
Nah, he's chilling, dude. It's been proved tenfold.
Wait, how did I sit down?
You got an idle animation?
He just like sat down on the chair.
There's no fucking chair here. Are you insane?
No, not right now. Like before I moved.
The hidden sit button. Oh,
Yo!
where did this launcher go? Yo,
Whoa!
I mean, this is real. This is real enforcer gameplay.
Yo, for real.
What the fuck? Why does he have a... This has to be a meme or something. Alright, you guys good to go?
Oh my god!
What?
Oh
Why
my
did you do
god!
that? Yeah, do it again. Yo, where's Tux, dude? He needs to wake up now.
Are you kidding me?
What? How did you do that?
The numbers. Just 1, 2, 3, 4.
One. Oh, wait, what? Since what are their emotes? Inshallah. You have? Dude, this is the first time.
It only goes up to 5 for. I mean 4 for me.
Yeah, I only got 4. I'm just sitting like this, dick out.
Get the fuck out of here. Yo, my chest. Anybody want a Kajaro
Hey,
band
back-
or a Ronald's band?
Back on back, want his King Gear. I mean, Mikey, get it before
Mikey, yeah.
King it does.
Get it, King. Oh, is it? Wait, is this?
Thank
How
you,
does this
Bob.
work? The credit card?
Ronald band right there for any high damage dealing.
It probably just never goes away because you never use it.
Huh. Oh, I'm not picking that shit up. I'm immersing myself in the artifact.
Well, any hardlighters?
Oh my god, what the fuck is happening? Nah, that's
Like-
not good for me. Which means it's Kings.
Oh, I could use that.
Bro, you were way too slow.
Oh.
It was gone before you even started speaking. Some shit here, dude. And then when these guys explode, it's gonna hurt. Oh my god. Okay, being in the middle of this fucking thing is the best.
Oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died.
I uncapped my brains. Grab some for you.
Yeah, fucking
Hey,
asshole.
hey, let me grab something for you. I thought you were done, bro. Here, take this gasoline.
Bro, you.
Take the gasoline.
Did you not see that you couldn't select the goddamn thing?
I thought you were moving away, bro.
You leave Kyle Kentux, or is it just like,
Okay, you press that.
What?
oh, okay?
You press X. You can leave Kyle.
Oh, X. Okay, okay.
Okay, so Miner's taunt number 3 or pose number 3 just kills himself.
How did you kill me?
I think it detonated himself, so I think it kills everyone in like the small radius.
God.
That might be
Fucking
useful.
Detective sword. How do I get my cat to exercise more, dude? Lazy fuck. Oh my god.
He's gonna fucking kill me.
No, he's not. World as usual, man.
He's sucking. He's sucking.
Hold on 1 second.
Alright, no, that's fine. Wait, two at once?
Yeah, two at once. Two at once.
Oh,
But they can't suck me. They can't fucking suck me.
Shut the fuck up.
And they're dead.
Yep, there we go.
Oh,
Turn it
what
on.
is that?
They doing striders.
Oh, finally! You want some murder?
Oh my god! Oh, never mind, they're baby.
Some murder over here, somewhere. Yeah, it's right there. Somebody wants it. I don't know why I bothered. You should have been more ready. It's your fault.
You're both reported. It's
What do
crazy.
you want me to do?
Oh
It was
my
literally gonna go
God.
automatically. Bruh.
Reported, bro. I'll stop.
Wait, Tux, there's another one. There's not King. There was not another one over here. Tux, get this one.
It's fine.
Some normal Twitter
I got
right
mine.
here, bro.
Alright, hello? Mythix? You see the
What-
bird?
Can I
Yeah,
detonate
yeah.
it during the cutscene? No? Okay.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
That's so funny. Oh, he's
Is
fucking.
he gonna? If I walk up to him, I'm gonna die.
Alright, we're good.